everyone, a day well spent here at MITS Mumbai. It's a great opportunity today for Infor as a brand to have very great conversation with some of the leading manufacturing companies here in Mumbai. And I really want to thank the team for bringing everyone together here. Absolutely, it did live up our expectation even last year. That's why it's the reason why we are here this year too. And industrial manufacturing is a very important industry for us where we have some great clients to work with, and also there are some good conversations around some of the prospects who came to our booth and who reciprocated really well for our session today. It does mean a lot because we are continuously in the process of articulating what exactly is our value differentiator that we bring in the market. And Infor as a brand does have some very great value differentiators, whether it comes to your industry specific ERP, whether it's about the end-to-end supply chain visibility and overall concept around the automation and AI. So I think this platform gave us a good chance to articulate to some of the new organizations on what exactly we do and why we are a differentiator in the market. Great, very promising, so I would put that. Yeah, I think this year there is growing focus around agentic AI, and our Infor session, which was given by our head of solution consultant Bharat, built a lot of traction for us because there is a lot of curiosity on how to make agentic AI a reality, because everyone speaks about it, but how much is it relatable to your organization, how much is it actually doable? It was something that kind of built a lot of curiosity, so that was very interesting to know. I think this is a very good platform for us to establish among the industry, and also some very great conversation, which of course needs nurture, but it's a very good start. So I would ask the vendors who are evaluating this to definitely try it once to know the exact value of it. Absolutely, yes, that's the plan. We want to do it because we have seen that there is growing number of new accounts that the team is bringing on to us. So we are expecting that even in the next year, there will be definitely, new accounts that we can work with. Also, I think there is growing need and definitely, very good discrete manufacturing platform. But I think one feedback that I also gave to the team was to also add process manufacturing companies, because the food and beverage, fashion, is also a very promising industry, and it has some of the very industry specific nuances where Infor can help.